Avoid this trap when you become an affiliate marketer. Are you ready? What can this possibly be? Well, here's my words for you. Shiny object syndrome, guys. Stop it. Stop falling for it. Stop diverting your attention. If there's one thing I've learned ever since I became an entrepreneur, after I began my journey, my endeavor into breaking free from those 9-to-5 chains, from becoming my own boss, from living the lifestyle I desire, for, creating wealth and traveling at my own cost. One of the biggest things I've learned through all this is to avoid the trap of shiny object syndrome. There's so many opportunities, there's so many things that catch your attention, hook you here, hook you there, and divert your attention from your main goal, from your main purpose, from the thing that's gonna break you free. So my tip to you, my advice to you is, if you're in affiliate marketing, if you fell in love with the business model, if you love what it's about, what you hear, and this is what you want to chase, find your niche, find a winning product, and promote that. Go around your niche, build around that niche, build around that winning product, and build up that business. Build up the website, the YouTube channel, the Instagram, the Facebook page, whatever route you're taking. Build it, scale it, and then you can diversify. But until you do not scale, stop changing your focus and jumping ships all the time. Shiny object syndrome can be as bad as you diverting from affiliate marketing and going into Amazon FBA, drop shipping with Shopify. Guys, if you didn't have success with one, you're not gonna have success with the other, because the problem is not the business model, the problem is you. Trust me, I know this, because I've had success with Amazon, I've had success with drop shipping, I've had success with affiliate marketing. At the end of the day, I was the problem from scaling, because I kept jumping around and jumping around. But ultimately, to me, bias, this is bias in my opinion only, affiliate marketing is the best business model that you can possibly jump into. That's the business model I love. That's my own opinion. You can do Amazon FBA or drop shipping if that's what you like, but affiliate marketing just has the best ROI, has the best revenue streams, has the best, you can drop just so little bit of money on ads and make so much more. So affiliate marketing is really the way to go, in my opinion. But back to this topic, shiny object syndrome. It can be as bad as diverting your attention from those things. Stop jumping around. And if the problem isn't even jumping around business models anymore, the problem can become, even when you're already in affiliate marketing and you are in this niche. Let's just use examples, easy examples. Let's say you are promoting ClickFunnels, because it's very hot right now and a lot of people are promoting this product. ClickFunnels is an amazing program, but the only way you're gonna have success promoting ClickFunnels is if you focus all your attention into building around that. And there's so many different ways you can promote it. You can promote it as the tool, as the opportunity, so many things. I don't want to get into specifics, but there's just so many things that ClickFunnels can be used for, and you can easily promote it, but you got to build around it. Now, let's say you jumped into ClickFunnels, you're intrigued with the tool, you can use it, and now you want to promote it, but you're not getting sales, you're not getting affiliates, sales, commissions through the tool, and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna go and promote Builderall, which is similar to ClickFunnels on the cheaper side, lower end. Also works great. I'm not gonna shoot Builderall down because I love the tool, but let's just say you do that. Now you're diverting your focus. You're planning to promote Builderall, you're planning to promote ClickFunnels. Now you're splitting yourself in two. You can't do that. You can't split yourself in two. You gotta put all your focus and energy in one. Automate the business or something. Get those autoresponder emails in and just have the business start making you some money passively. But if you're not at the figure that you want to hit, then you should not be jumping into a different business model, or you're just gonna be doing that throughout this whole time, and you're gonna give up because you're not gonna get the results that you're looking for. So trust me when I say this, guys. Shiny object syndrome is a trap. Do not fall for it. If you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you gotta focus on your niche, divert all your attention into that, and just stop falling for those distractions, guys. If you need an accountability partner, message me. I'll be there. I might not be responsive all the times because I'm busy myself, building my business, still trying to break free from the 9-to-5 chains and whatnot. So but I'm here to support you guys. I'm here to help you guys out. So if you need an accountability partner to let you know that you're effing up, if you are diverting yourself, you're splitting yourself into, let me know. Stop it. Stick to it. If you in your gut feel like this is the product, the niche you want to go into, promote that and stick to that. Don't be like, you know what, I'm gonna try this one out. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Don't do that. Don't do that, guys. I got you. If you want to succeed, stick to your niche. Stick to what you're doing and just build. Alright, guys? Well, I just wanted to jump in here real quick and let you guys know about this trap that you got to avoid at all costs if you're an affiliate marketer or any business model for say. I just say affiliate marketing because that's my niche. That's the business model I'm in, and shout out to affiliate marketing. It's the best business model out there. Gotta love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this little quick rant. Stay focused, laser focus, and grind it out, guys. Grind it out because we gonna get this money, guys. We gonna get this success. We gonna break free. We gonna live those purposeful lives that you desire. Let's get it, guys.